Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30052, and this is the Star Wars AAT. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my plan is to do one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I have done a bunch of these in the past, leading up to now. So if you like this kind of thing, there are a bunch of them. I have a bunch already up, and there's plenty more coming. And if you're interested in this particular Polybag, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, I've included the brick set link for it if you want information about that. Like if you just want information about the set itself. Now, I feel like this is a Clone Wars one and not an Episode 1 one, which makes me feel a little better. Not a lot better, just moderately better. Alright, let's slide this out of the way so we can check that out. Alright, so oh, okay. I was trying to figure that part out. It's like it looked like a trick. Apparently it was not a trick. They actually did want me to stick two of these right here like this. And then attach this here. And jumper. And the jumper. And the jumper. Like so. Alright, we flip it over. And then we pop a couple of these things on. And it looks like in the middle, right here. Yeah, that's where it is. It's in the middle. I gotta tell you, I know many of you have probably never tried to put a Lego set together with gloves on, but these pieces right here, this little smooth piece, these are the worst pieces to try and handle, because they want to slip out of your hands so bad. Alright. So, why put a jumper down just to cover it with a 1x2? That didn't make any sense. But, whatever. Okay. So, we got that. And that. And then another jumper. Like that. Like that. I don't get that. Because we went jumper, 1x2, jumper. Oh well. No telling. Alright. So we're sitting right here. And this goes here. Like so. Like that. And another jumper is on top right here. So that gets us to here. And now we gotta build, I'm guessing this is gonna be the turret. I don't know. Well, we'll find out. Actually, it might not be the turret. It might be the thing that the turret sits on. Alright. Clip. Goes here. And the clip goes here. Like so. And then that goes in the middle. This goes on top right here. And then we got our turntable. Like so. We'll pop this in. So this is going to attach right there like that. So that's where that is. Now we got this goes here. So this gives us that front part. And then we add the binoculars. So binoculars like so. More binoculars. Also like so. There we go. That's our binoculars. And this goes on top right there. Like that. Alright. So that takes care of that. Now what we've got to do is we've got to put this thing together. So these go on the bottom. Oops. And they try to escape. This goes on the bottom. Like so. And then that's on the bottom. And then these like that. So put these on like so. And it lines up like that pretty good. And then do the other one. Also like so. Takes care of that. And then we have one more in the back facing downward. Like this. Like that. And then we have a tile go on top. And then for this, just like this. This goes in here, and this slides all the way back, like so. And these are our two extra pieces, by the way. And so what we do now is we somehow attach it here. How on earth does this attach? It can't attach like this, can it? That looks like how it attaches. Does it attach like this? It can't be right, can it? Ah, crap. Look at that. That's how it attaches. That's weird. Alright, well. That's a weird way to attach it. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. That's kind of a weird one. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.